So this very well might be the largest windshield visor strip I ever do in my life. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Wayne from Faith of Black. As you can see, I have a huge obnoxious windshield behind me, and I've been wanting to do this for a little while. I think I'm going to go ahead and put a 5% visor strip on the front of that thing. This windshield is huge when you're driving down the road. I mean, it's like a big glass house. So on my last RV, we did have the full windshield tinted, and I did a visor strip on that. I didn't film it. I have pictures that I posted up on my Facebook page, but for this one, I think for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and put a visor strip on there, because driving this thing is crazy, the amount of light that comes in it. So let me show you what we got from the inside. So as you can see, this windshield is huge. I don't even think the video really does it justice, but this thing is gigantic. So you know what? I'm gonna go crazy with this. I'm gonna put a super low visor strip. I got a 20-inch roll, and I'm gonna put it down as low as I possibly can and see if we can get away with it. One of the good things when you're doing a windshield this large, usually you can just lay the film on there. You don't really have to shrink it. They're pretty flat. So what I'm gonna do is, just like I said before, see how much I can get out of a 20-inch roll to get this thing to hang down, and see how it looks on there. I want to tint the rest of it at some point, but right now I'm just gonna try to focus on the front. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do on this side, but for this video, let's go ahead and get a big visor strip on there and get it faded. So we got it done. That was a large visor strip. I think that visor strip was about over 90 inches for sure. I think I measured 46 halfway on each one, so definitely we're well over 90 inches on that, probably 93, 94 inches. So that was a crazy wide visor strip, and I went down about 13 inches with it. So we got 13 inches by like 96. So that was one of the largest visor strips I've ever had to install. Now, one of the good things with this visor strip, I didn't have to shrink it. Apologize if the lighting wasn't the greatest. I wanted to get this done before the sun started shining directly on the front of this. Then it would have been a little tougher to do, a little harder to see. So I got this done before the sun shifted around. I think it came out really well. Now, I'll let you see what it looks like from the inside looking out. So that's what it looks like from the inside looking out. Some of those positions were pretty much from the seating positions too, so you can see that you're still looking down, you're not looking through the visor. And with the sun coming in, it's really gonna help driving these things, because you know when you're driving down the road, that sun is just blazing and anything. These are very, very huge windshields. So man, thank you guys for watching. If you get time, check out this video right here, or check out one of my tinting visor playlists right here. I appreciate you guys watching. Smash that subscribe button, hit that bell so you not miss any notifications, and I'll be back when I get time with another video. Until then, stay faded. Peace.